what I want to talk about first, before we talk about those surgeries, is your thoughts on 2020 season for the University of Utah. What you had told me, we were at lunch this week?
Yeah.
Was it already this week?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we were at lunch and you were saying how like a lot of the seniors have left, but there's still a lot of good talent coming up.
Correct. Utah football is we have some really good coaches. They're really smart, and they're all about development. As soon as you enter the program, it's all about development. As soon as your first day to your last day, they don't cut any slack for you. You do the workout. If you don't, you can walk out the door. That's the option.
Yeah.
So, so it's just a mind game, and so that development leads on, and you never know it. It sneaks up on you. You feel like you're on the back burner. You're just watching everybody else, and then out of nowhere it just hits, and you're playing. So that's something that that they kind of Coach Wood always talks about. Is it's always next man up. So nobody has a spot guaranteed forever. Now, if you put the work in, you come work every day, then obviously you're gonna hold that. But somebody gets injured, it's the next guy up. And he says it all the time, and some people don't realize it. But so it's the same situation now. We lost a quarterback, a running back, a receiver. I'm sure we lost a tight end. We lost a couple people on offense, but like I said, it's been next man up. The guys behind, they're just as good. Everybody has different strengths. Some guys are runners, some guys are strong, some guys are tall. It's just pretty much switching the game a little bit of the style of how we play. So I don't think we took a step back. I think the guys that we have now are just as good as the guys we had before. I believe in all the players. I believe that. Of course, we can be just as good or even better. That's the goal, is to get further in the season. So, we've been working out whenever we can, and even from spring ball, I feel like it looks good. The difference between now and before is we're kind of forced to use more players. We're forced to use every position compared to last year. We had a really good running back, really good quarterback, really good receiver, and that Hollandale trio. They were a really big force for us. So they we obviously wanted to utilize them. Because, why not? It's like a cheat code.
Exactly.
So now we're forced to spread it out a little bit more. So I think that will be fine. I don't think it will be a big problem.
Very cool. Very cool.